We're also following a mystery in South Buffalo. An elderly man found beaten and stabbed in his home. He was 84 years old.
And his family and neighbors are heartbroken, and police are trying to put the pieces of the puzzle together. News 4 senior correspondent Rich Newberg has the latest now on this investigation. Rich?
You don't see yellow crime tape very often in this South Buffalo neighborhood, but it marks the scene now of a terrible crime at Donald Russell's house. On Tuesday, the body of 84-year-old Donald Russell was found in his kitchen by his son Paul. He had been beaten and stabbed, according to his neighbor, former Buffalo police officer Tommy Knezevec.
Oh, it's horrible. I mean, couldn't sleep last night at all. I mean, as you can see, the police car's still out front. You know, it's just, you know, very disturbing. He's a great guy, 84 years old, and he loved life.
This is Don Russell with his family many years ago in better times. He and his wife Emily divorced after 50 years of marriage. His son Gary took his own life more than 2 years ago. Another son, Brian, suffered serious injuries in a bicycle accident. And now someone ended Donald Russell's life.
There's an investigation continuing. I cannot comment right now. I do know an autopsy was scheduled for this afternoon, and we'll have further information later.
Russell's longtime neighbors, the Zuliches across the street, tell me Donald had a great social life at age 84, and he loved to talk about it.
He liked the ladies, and he liked to dance, and he won a lot of prizes. He won something in Paris, and he liked to tell you about his trips.
Oh, he was a great guy, you know, great neighbor, loved to talk, you know. He had a convertible, we had a convertible. It was always about convertibles, and he'd always go back to dancing.
This is a quiet South Buffalo neighborhood where everyone looks out for each other. Neighbors wish they could have done something to help Donald Russell, but they had no warning.
If there was anything going on, I'm sure it would have heard some kind of ruckus.
It seems impossible, let's put it that way, because he didn't bother anybody. I can't see anybody that wanted to do that to him.
Anyone with information is asked to call or text the Buffalo Police confidential tip line at 847-2255. That's 847-2255. You'll also find that number on our website at WIVB.com. Reporting live, Rich Newberg, News 4 at 5.